Okay, this is the second part of parabolas, and we're going to deal with applications. This is your second assignment. All right, if you remember last time around, the things we were dealing with were things like x squared, 4py for vertical, for horizontal. For p was the distance between vertex and the focus. All right, in this case, what we're going to be dealing with, what I want to deal with, is a headlight. It's opening out this way. Here's the glass. The bulb is placed at the focus. And what we know is that my focal diameter is 12 centimeters, which is from here to here. Okay, what we're going to do is go ahead and make this point right here our vertex, 0, 0. We can put it wherever we want, and this makes it nice and easy. The other thing I notice is that this thing is opening to the right, so I'm going to deal with a horizontal one. Y squared equals 4px. Okay, so part A of this says to find the equation. Okay, 4p, we know that is my focal diameter. Now I see absolute value of 4p. This thing is horizontal, but it's opening to the right, so it is going to be positive. So y squared is going to equal to 12x, because 4p is this one right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to figure out is how big this is. And the second piece of information to give you is the distance from the back, the vertex, to this is 20 centimeters. Okay. So that's my x value. Okay. Here's our equation. So part B is find the diameter of the opening which is 20 centimeters from the vertex. All right, well, that looks kind of tough, except that's x, that's 20, we plug it in here, so y squared equals to 12 times 20, or y squared equals to 240. Now, because I want the diameter, I'm not interested in the negative, only in the positive. And we need to simplify this a little bit more. And what I can find out is, this is divisible by 16. It's going to be the square root of 16 times the square root of 15. Or y is going to be 4 times the square root of 15. Okay, so we come up here at this x right here. This y is going to be, notice this point right here would be 20 and 4 times square root of 15. Or the distance from here to here is that. I want the focal diameter, which would be down here also. So finding the focal diameter is relatively easy, or the diameter of the opening, excuse me. Is going to be twice this, so it will be 8 times the square root of 15. And this is an example of what you're going to be doing with these problems. The important thing to remember is to sketch out your picture, get your focal diameter or your focus, whichever one you're given, find your equation, and then if you're given a length, plug into the appropriate place like X or Y and solve for the other.